Hey everyone, let's make these adorable mini teacups. So I got all my teacups from Hobby Lobby, different colors and different shapes for different seasons. I got the red and white ones during Christmas season, obviously. And I also got the little green one you'll see in a second. That one was from spring. I happen to have one left over in my stash. And I also have these foam Easter eggs. You don't need to have these on hand. You can easily do the exact same thing using foam balls. We're just going to use this foam to dummy up the middle. That way our faux whipped topping does not fall through. We also essentially save money doing this because the foam allows you to use less spackles. So your spackle will go farther, which is awesome if you plan on making a whole bunch of these. So because I sell mine, I like to reinforce everything with E6000. So I'm taking my E6000 and doing a couple of dots around the perimeter of the egg. And in between those dots, I am using hot glue. That way, the hot glue will hold it quicker, but the E6000 will have a more permanent hold. I just want to make sure that the eggs do fit quite snugly into my little mugs, but I just like to, it's rather be safe than sorry because I do sell these. And to prep my spackle, all I do is take a stir stick and whip it up in the tub. And I like to put in a little bit of acrylic paint. I mix in a few dollops of acrylic paint just to make sure that it dries a bright white. For me, if you plan on making it pink, obviously add a little bit of pink spackle or pink acrylic paint. The color is up to you, but I wanted it to look like a classic white whipped cream, so I used some white acrylic paint. And you just simply put it into your piping bag and pipe it like you would, let's say, a cupcake. I don't bake very often. Um, and I definitely don't decorate cupcakes. Let me tell you, no, it's just not my thing. But that's basically what you're doing here. I got my pastry bags from Walmart. They're already pre-tipped, which is awesome. I think it's a star tip. You can get piping bags from Dollar Tree. You can get them from Hobby Lobby. And once you have everything in your piping bag, just make sure you slide it down to the tip. That's what she said. And then and then you just pipe it on. And there's really no right or wrong way. I know I see that a lot on this channel, but there isn't. I don't like to overcomplicate things because I'm a very simple girl. Like if I'm doing it, that means it's easy to do because I don't like overcomplicated things. Like I will give up easily. If something's overcomplicated, I'm like, you know what? I'm sick of this. I'm tired of it. I don't want to do it no more. I don't want to do it. So it's super easy. If y'all see it on this channel, y'all see me doing it, you're like, okay, this must be easy as hell because this girl is lazy. She don't like do anything overcomplicated. So yeah. It's very easy, trust me. The most tedious part is putting on the sprinkles because the bigger sprinkles don't really stick when you sprinkle them onto the spackle. Sprinkle on the spackle. Sorry, I'm amusing myself right now. So you can see I'm using my tweezers just to kind of place them and kind of push them in a little bit. And anytime I put like a little fake candy or a gingy into the top of the spackle, I like to put hot glue at the bottom of it and then stick it in. I find that it just makes the bigger pieces stay better. They have a better hold. I don't know if I'm just tripping and I'm making that up in my head, but that's what I do. It's worked for me this entire time. It has not failed me yet. So That's what I like to do. And of course, we're going to add glitter once we have everything else done. Add your glitter last because glitter will make it harder for anything to get into that spackle. So just if you're going to add glitter, you know I am, obviously. Add your glitter last, but before your spackle dries because it won't stick if your spackle dries. Okay. Okay, yeah, we got I think I covered all the bases because I know I'm rambling in this video. And I know I still sound gross because I still have a cold, but I can't help it. I need to talk. Like I need to talk even though I sound really gross right now. And here's the finished product. These were super quick and easy to make. I love them so much. Definitely in the top 3 favorite crafts this year. Let me know what y'all think about these and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.